Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to talk with you about 10 ways how to make money as a graphic designer. And if you're interested, please keep watching. I must say that some methods will suit you if you start completely from scratch and some if you are already an experienced graphic designer but want to try new ways of earning for yourself. And 8 of the ways that I will show you today I tried myself. Now you see my portfolio on Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock, this is an online marketplace where you can sell your designs. With this method I started in 2009 and have been selling designs for 10 years. And now for 2 years I have not worked on stocks, but it still brings me my passive income. Because I have more than 10,000 works on my portfolio, and now you can see the number of sales of my designs for all the time and the amount of my money earned for all the time of my work on Adobe Stock. The next way is freelancing. I have been freelancing for several years, but I like more when I myself decided what to do without a client. But if you want to freelance, I advise you go to Upwork. It's one of the best online platforms where you can find freelance work. And as well, I advise you Fiverr. It's the same very popular online platform where you can find a lot of graphic design and other freelance work. The next way, as I already understood, is YouTube. You can't just be a beginner here. Here you need to already be a designer and be ready for the first time to share your knowledge for free. Because monetization on YouTube is enabled when you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watching. Be prepared that at first no one will watch you, but if you try and make interesting content, then you will definitely succeed and the reward will not keep you waiting. In June I got my silver award from YouTube and it took me 2.5 years. The next way is a Patreon. Here you need to already have an audience. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, no matter. Patreon is an online platform for creators and where your subscribers from other social media can come and support the author no matter what you do. The main thing is that you have an audience that is ready to come to you and like what you are doing. I use Patreon so that I can share my designs from tutorials. I sell my brushes here and I also have a graphic design club, but it's now only in Russian. Courses, this is also ready if you have an experience and an audience or money for advertising. I have a course called Commercial Portfolio Step Up where you create a commercial portfolio. Now it's only in Russian, but soon it will be in English. And guys, the next way is an online print shop. Now you see the red bubble, it's one of my favorite online print shops, and here you can sell your designs and then the buyers can buy it as dresses, hats, hoodies, leggings, t-shirts, or stickers, or masks, or phone cases, or wall art as the buyer wants. And here you can open your own shop. Now you see my shop, but I open it only for fun. I have here 26 designs, and it was 5 years ago. I have here only 20 sales, so it was just for fun. I just try how it's to create your own online print shop and try to sell your designs. So if you like to create designs and to sell it as a real thing, for example, let's open this design. Here you see my design, and here you can see how it looks, for example, on phone case or poster or as a sticker. So if you like this way to earn money and to sell your designs, you can create your own online shop and sell your designs online. The next way is the creation of your merch in live or digital form. Here you also need an audience to sell your merch. Merch can be anything: t-shirt, mug, sticker. In digital form it can be brushes or desktop wallpaper. I also have watercolor brushes that I sell on Patreon, and there is a YouTube tutorial on how to use them, and this is my digital merch. Those merch can be anything. The main thing is that you already have an audience that is ready to buy it from you. The next way is an ebook. I have ebook 50 Easy Ideas. It's book for a beginner designers who wants to start sell their designs online. And if you're interested to know more about my book, then go to this video and just watch more about my book. And of course, guys, to create ebook you need to have an experience and an audience that will buy your book. Creation of fonts. I haven't tried this, but I would be interested. Not everyone knows that fonts are created in Adobe Illustrator. And plus, you can only be a person who sells fonts, and that's it, without creating any designs. But also you will need the font program, which is called Font Self. So if you want to create fonts, you need Adobe Illustrator and Font Self. And you can sell your fonts, for example, on Envato Elements or Creative Market. And the last way is offline work. Printing houses, advertising agencies, web studios and just good companies always need a beautiful visual. And this is what a graphic designer does. Create a portfolio and resume and send them to the companies you are interested in your city. Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my video and it was useful and helpful to you. And if yes, please give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about graphic design. Bye bye guys. Mwah. Bye.